Welcome to our guide on how to operate a fire extinguisher. Knowing how to use one can be crucial in an emergency. Before using a fire extinguisher, assess the situation. Ensure the fire is small, you have a clear escape route, and you know how to use the extinguisher. Identify the correct type of fire extinguisher for the fire you are dealing with. Remember the pass technique. Pull, aim, squeeze, sweep. Step 1. Pull the pin. This unlocks the operating lever. Step 2. Aim the nozzle at the base of the fire. Step 3. Squeeze the lever to discharge the extinguisher. Step 4. Sweep the nozzle from side to side until the fire is out. After the fire is out, watch the area for reignition and call the fire department to ensure safety. Remember, if the fire is too large, evacuate immediately and call for help. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and be prepared.